Hey everyone. I think, yeah, I need to watch there. Yeah, okay. I am live again, and as you can see, I'm in a trade. Finally, I managed to go live while in a trade. And this is actually my second trade that I placed in this whole challenge. So if you didn't see like my previous live where I made my first profits, that was also my first trade, of course, because it was my first profit and my first trade. And right now I'm in a new trade again. And it's now 3 days later, I think. So of course, it's been the weekend. And during the weekend, I couldn't place a trade. But now it's Monday, and I want to have another profitable trade. So I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. And I actually wanted to go live also for a bit of advice. Even though I think that most of you are at work, I'm not sure, because here in France it's 3:30 right now, 3:30 in the afternoon. I don't know how late it is where you are and if you're at work or not, but I'll just show you what I did. So, and I'm going to open the chat on my phone. Let's see if that works. It's very professional streaming setup. Very, very professional. Let's see. Yeah, there's my live. I'm in a short trade right now. So I'm short, as you can see. I'm in a short trade. And okay, here I see the chat. That's cool. So there's one view, but that's from me, because I'm watching my own live right now. So I'm just going to explain to you what I'm doing. Baby is playing in her chair. Hey! Kitty pie. Kitty pie. Okay, so I don't know if anyone will see this live, because most of the people are at work right now, I think. But I'll just show you. So, as you can see here, I did a little rectangle. And it's not a random rectangle. What I think is... Wait, first of all, I looked at the 4 hours. And then I saw this big candle that was forming. And when I looked at it, it was only about here, because it was in the morning. And the candle was getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And as you can see, we were in a downtrend. You see, breaks of structure. We were in a downtrend. I don't know why this is so low. Break of structure. Nice. And then we got this one, which was still, it was high, but it wasn't higher than the previous high. But then it went down and it went up again. And as you can see, like, eventually this candle got so big that it became a higher high. So here I marked change of character. Because it made a higher high. I don't know why it's internal, change of character. I don't know why I did that. Because it's 4 hours. Anyway, so my bias is that we are going to be in an uptrend right now because of this change of character. And so this candle was getting bigger and bigger. And what I've learned from this channel, the Trading Savant, I'm binge watching. Oh my god, I am binge watching his videos right now. Oh, there's another viewer. Hi, welcome to my little live. So what I've learned from this channel is that if you have a very big candle like this, a very big movement, then you need to take the previous candle that's right before it, and then the highs and the lows of that candle, and that is like a demand zone. It's a demand zone. Just zoom in a bit. So that's what I thought. Let me know for anyone who is watching right now, what you think of this. Like, will it actually get down here? Just to be conservative, I did my take profits right here. Because I'm already happy with 40 euros, you know. My last profitable trade was 29 euros and it made me so happy. And this is 40 euros. If it can get down here, down to here, it would be amazing. I would be so happy. Normally, if I follow the strategy, it would go down here. But I know that's a really, really big jump. You see, it's damn. It needs to fall back and then go up. I don't know. I feel like it will go like this and then like this. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I am making money right now. 13 euros. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. Also, if anyone is watching this live as a replay, because I think most of you are at work right now, just let me know, like, do you have any feedback? Is this a realistic demand zone? Or is it just too far away? Do you think price will go here? I know if you are watching the replay, you probably can see if price went until here. It looks pretty cool. It looks pretty professional, right? Very pro. So yeah, I'm just going to see if it's going to take my take profit. If it goes even further down, then that's a win for me as well, because then that means that, okay, I kind of understand the strategy and I saw what is happening on the chart. So even though I'm not making money if it goes down from here, because I'm not in the trade anymore, I took my profits and I will be able to see if this is correct. Like, if this is actually a demand zone that price will go back to and then poof, go up again. There are 4 viewers right now. Hi, welcome everyone. If you're new here, by the way, I am taking the next 6 months to try to become the best trader I can be. And right now I'm a complete beginner, but this is day 8 of my little challenge. And so I'm 8 days in and I'm really like studying this like it's a bachelor degree, and I never thought I would be this interested in charts and foreign currencies. But yeah, I'm just going to focus on Euro USD and really try to get to know, like, yeah, it's like a little date with the Forex, you know, just one pair, one Forex pair, and really get to know it. And yeah, it's really cool. So it's going pretty slow. Right now I'm in the 4-hour time frame. Let's just look. That's baby. Let's just look at the 5 minutes, just to see what's happening. Whoop. Oh yeah, I can just double click, right? Double click and then zoom out of it. Okay, it's pretty cool. So we have lower lows and oh, there are a lot of details. Lower lows and lower highs. So that's nice. We are in a downtrend. When price went up like this, I actually saw it in the 1 minute. Let me just double click. Yeah. So it was going down, down, down. I was happy. And then it went up and it went very fast. And I was, oh no, oh my God. I was losing all the little profits that I made. And it went up. And now it's going down again. So I'm happy. I was actually a bit afraid that it would go up and up and up and up and up. That because here is a change of character, if I'm correct. There are 3 viewers right now. Hi. By the way, if you hear noises in the background, it's my baby. She's playing. So yeah, but I'm not going to look at too much on this like lower time frame, because as you can see there are a lot of details, like a lot of noise. It's going up and down and up and down and up and down, and it's kind of making me a bit nervous. But when we look at the 4 hour, let's just see again, or the 1 hour, let's do the 1 hour. Here we are. Okay. Baby. So let me know what you think of this setup. Do you think that price will go down here to this demand zone? And if it will, then I've taken my profit right here, and then I will probably, if I get the confirmation that it goes up again, and it doesn't break this demand zone, I will probably go like in a buy position. That would be cool, right? I'm going to make money going down and then going up. Woo! That would be really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to see what happens. The highest I saw here was 21 euros, or not. Yeah, I think when it was here, I made about 21 euros. Yeah, that's possible. And I was really happy, and then it went up again, and I was like, oh no. And now it's here again. I'm making 10 euros. Pretty cool. Oh, which time frame did you take the position and why? Well, I'll explain. So I took the position on the 4 hour. And this is like the thing that I learned from this trading channel, the Trading Savant. So he was saying that to find a zone, like a demand zone and a supply zone, you need to look at the big candles, and then one candle before that you take the high and the low, and then that normally is the demand zone, and price normally goes back to this zone. Hello, please make a window with your face small because the chart... Oh my god, I'm sorry. Thank you. Ooh, that's a lot better. That's way better. Okay, so I saw this really big candle and it was growing and growing and growing. And eventually it made a higher high, as you can see. So, oh wait, here, a higher high. So I did like a change of character, and I think now we will go into an uptrend. And because this was such a big candle, I looked at the candle before it, and I took, wait, I didn't really do it properly. I took the high and the low of this previous candle, and then hopefully this will be like a demand zone. Let me know if that's correct. That's something that I learned from this channel. Thank you. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. Thank you for telling me that my face was all over the chart. So, oh my god, it's going down again. Ooh! I'm not emotional, but I am a little bit happy. I'm a little bit happy. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, that's why I took the trades, because I saw this in the 4 hour. And I hope it will go down again. And I took this, like this take profit is pretty conservatively here, because I think this is such a big jump. And even though the strategy says that this should be a zone that price will go back to rebalance, because here's the demand zone normally. I don't know if it will go back like there. I don't have enough experience to know if price moves that much. Baby. So we'll see if it goes like until here. Of course, here I have my take profit. And then I have 40 euros, so I'll be super happy with 40 euros. And if it goes further down, then of course I'm not... I'm not making any profits if it goes further down here, but it's a win, because then that means that, okay, my strategy is confirmed, like the strategy that I just learned from this channel with the demand zone is confirmed, and then that's a win as well, because then for the next time I know that maybe I can just push my take profits a bit lower. So yeah, we are making 14 euros right now. It's going a bit up, as you can see. On the 1 minute. Okay. Oh yay. Baby. Here's a little like higher low, but it is the 1 minute time frame. I mean, there's so much movement in the 1 minute. Let's see for the 5 minutes. It's clearly in a downtrend, right? We are going down. So what do you think? Like, now that you've heard my explanation, would you do it like this? Or like, do you have any feedback? All the background noises. Abba. Oh. I think baby wants a cuddle. Baby. Wait, I'll just give her a cuddle. I'm watching the chat, okay? Wil jij haar even vasthouden en de schoens? En dan doe ik haar met. Okay, here I am again. I'm going to put baby to bed because she's getting tired. Kitty pie. So I think I'll go live again, like tonight, and then we'll see if I made some profits or not. Then we'll see what happens with this trade. I'm really curious to see what will happen. So yeah, I will see you tonight. There are 3 viewers right now. Wait, 2 viewers, because I'm also viewing it on my phone. Yeah, okay. I will see you tonight. Alrighty. I'm going to close the streaming. And also, if you're watching this as a replay, just tell me in the comments, like, if you have any feedback. That would be nice. Okay. Bye-bye. See you tonight.